Hi guys, gulay tayo guys. Yan, gugulayin natin guys. Sari-saring gulay. Garillas, talong at kalabasa. Ito naman yung ating isang cup. Yung pansahog, dilis. Tsaka may meron tayong malunggay guys. Yan. Sariwang gulay. Yan. Lagyan natin guys yung ating sahog na dilis. Ayan, lagyan natin yung purong gata at malunggay. Ayan guys, yung ating purong gata guys. Lapit na guys ang ating gulay. Okay guys, luto na ang ating gulay guys. Ready to eat na guys. Iyan. Thank you. Thank you for watching.